Well, here we're looking at the Dow on the 6-minute, on the 6-hour chart, and we could see clearly we got the nice little move when we called the change in trend. We talked about it being really at this point at the midpoint of the channel, and that it really had to get a big break over that if we were really going to see anything positive there. And then we saw a break here, and really technically breaking through the low. We're still seeing a very vulnerable state of this marketplace because we're still technically in an uptrend, as you can see the slight slope, but this is looking very sketchy because it's kind of looking at like it's still in this channel formation, but it's kind of going into this kind of a scenario. Let me just we're going to just redraw it like this, what we're seeing here on the more recent action. Okay, and then you could see what I mean here as I draw up. Sorry, I'm going to have to redraw it again here. Okay, so it almost is kind of going right with that channel, and that makes sense as you see it coming into the midpoint of that. As a matter of fact, we're going to draw another chart with that in the middle. So here we're looking at the Dow on the hourly, and I just took the liberty of kind of redrawing kind of a channel formation between the two. You could see on the upper end, we weren't really seeing a lot of the action coming back in there, but we do see this up to the top, and that's the important aspect of it. We can also see that prices are still trying to tried to hold the ranges here. Now, I would think that there's some divisions here, but overall, no matter what I mainly wanted to kind of show here was this midpoint that comes in, and you could see that that really worked pretty substantially. So it makes sense that we're at the midpoint of the channel, and since we're in the channel, you have to anticipate it to hold, or at least say that, hey, if we break this, that would be very big, and it would indicate a sell signal. And it would also kind of show a serious bias to the downside. With an addition, if we're to see this bounce, we're anticipating trying to come back. But you could see how, for the most part, prices are having a tough time staying at the higher range of the channel.